What's up, guys? It's your boy Knockout 360 here with another video for you guys. So today is a mod day. It is a beautiful sunny Sunday. As you can see, it's getting nice and chilly out there, 57. So it's a beautiful Sunday, and my car's not getting modded, but my homeboy that's in the car club, his car is getting modded. It would be the gray Challenger that you saw in the last video, the gray 5.7 liter shaker Challenger. That is getting modded. He's going to have, well, not necessarily modded. It's going to be a wrap. Like, they're doing a wrap on the front hood of the car, so they're going to have that two-tone look. So we're going to go check that out, and no telling what we might get into after that, man. But that's the plan for the day. My man Griff is doing it. He's the one that has the yellow Z01. He calls that Skull Candy. So he's the one that's doing that, and that's what we're doing today, guys. So I'm bringing you guys along. Thanks for tuning in. If you like these videos, man, make sure you subscribe down below. Hit that button in the bottom left-hand corner. Should be down here somewhere, or down here somewhere. Just down here somewhere, right? But let's go ahead and get into it, man. We made it, as you can see, Z01 right there. Yep. So we made it. We're about to go up here and see what's going on, man. I think they're just about finished, close to being finished, something like that. Hopefully we can find out what's going on here. As you can see, baby, dirty. French fries. Skull candy. Skull candy. What's going on? You guys live way out here.
Yeah.
Way out here. I was like, man, I'm lost. I'm in the wrong place.
I told you when we go places about an hour is where we're
Get the car
going.
ready?
Yeah.
Told you.
Yeah.
Yep. That's it.
That looks good.
All smiles. What's going on, man? Look at that. All smiles.
We're good though. We see you might have a few bubbles here and there, but I mean, overall, I'm just went on smooth, man.
Wait, leave it up. Come over here.
I can't see anything.
Like, right
I
here.
don't see nothing there.
Exactly.
Yeah. I see a few of them.
Was it hard doing it with the shaker insert in the middle? You have to cut it out.
That right there.
Yeah.
He didn't even have it on, so we just put that on. So.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
remember, I didn't have that on.
Oh, wow.
After I had that hood taken off.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was a piece of cake. Because I was a little concerned about that.
Yeah.
How was going to get that off, but since he had it on.
Yeah, normally they have to break it off.
Oh, wow.
They have to break it. Yeah, it breaks when you take it off.
Come on.
Yeah, it's because it's held on by PMP.
Let's see the front.
It's shaker.
You can just call this Griff's Garage.
Griff's Garage. That's exactly what it is.
Griff's Garage.
The mat.
I want to see it out.
Heck yeah.
Well,
You need to black you gotta black your tint out now.
Yeah, yeah, I got
You just gotta go like straight black. Seriously.
Even this right here.
See that exactly, man. That matches.
This right here. So
Yeah.
Did you do that, bro?
Yeah, I did that one.
See what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah,
that's so
it's-
smooth.
all right.
That's so smooth.
It's all
right
right.
there.
that's awesome. Right
That's
there.
smooth.
I
I
love
like
it.
the carbon fiber.
It's like
Fuck yeah. And then you got this going too, and that's like a mat right there.
well, I mean, it's 3 different types of vinyl.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Looks
3
like-
different layers that they give.
Yeah,
that they
get
give
the
before.
carbon fiber.
It's like that
It's-
honeycomb or whatever.
Yeah.
Good shit.
When
Good
it
shit.
first,
Yeah, you got to black out the tint. That's the final piece right there. Just make it just black.
Yeah.
I thought about putting some louvers on it too.
There's
though.
one.
Louvers,
seriously
yeah.
next to me
Yeah.
I want those too.
By the
Yeah.
Pull out.
that way.
Come over with it.
Probably the radio. Put the calipers on here?
Yeah, I put those calipers on there.
Are they painted or covers?
They're covers. Those are the covers now.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah, carbon fiber. That's why I try to keep it a little carbon fiber. I don't know.
Just a subtle accent of it.
Exactly. Look at that. Look at the calipers. RT.
Yeah, it kind of ties in your stripes.
Exactly. Look at
That's
this.
awesome.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. That's perfect, man. Yeah. Next step, black out the tent and you're good to go.
Yeah.
Toke. Dewan, yeah, that's his name. Yeah, his is a 392, so his might actually be a little bit bigger. This is sick right here. Look at the honeycomb pattern. That's Lux right there.
About the same time we got out.
Oh, wow.
This thing is clean right here, man. Clean. I'm gonna be calling Griff here in a couple weeks. Like, hey man, listen, I want to get something done to the car.
Always open for business.
Always. This man is the truth right here. Looks. So you going full RT?
Yeah. Think I should have kept it basic.
Nah. You going full RT?
Yeah. Think I should have kept it basic.
Nah. Car from a distance. Looks like a totally different car, man. My day successful. This is serious business. Finished product. My day is success. See, it's the small stuff. Look at that. Shaker. Shaker. Look at that. Finished product. Brand new car. Gorgeous. That's it right there, man. Look at that. That is nasty, man. That thing is gorgeous, man. That's his right there. Gorgeous. My day of success. Look at him all happy now. Successful. I'm hungry now. It's time for Buffalo Wild Wings, man. You killed it, Griff. Look at that.
She doesn't, yeah, I mean, you never know. Like, you know, the squares, whenever something happens to it, it takes some of that extra stuff, we can fabricate something.
All right, squad, so that's it for your boy, man. It's been a dope-ass day, mod day success. My man's Challenger is dope right there. Hopefully, well, you know, there'll come a time when it's time for me to start modding, but like I told you guys a long time ago, I'm going to keep this one stock here. But as you can tell, we are at Buffalo Wild Wings, so it's time to eat. I'll holler at you guys in the next one. As always, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.